Hello students, this is Manish Singh from GIC Moldhar Lostu, Kirtinagar, Terry Gadwal. In the previous video, we have discussed the second lesson of our syllabus, The Lost Spring, which is written by Anis Jung. We have discussed about the plight of the poor rag pickers who are living in slums in Simapuri area. And in the second story, we discussed about the life and ambition of Mukesh, who was living in Firozabad, and his ancestors were working in the Bengal industry, but he dared to dream something other than his ancestors. He wanted to be a motor mechanic, and it was a realistic dream that he has seen. So, today we are going to study the question answers from the lesson to test your comprehension. So, first question is, who is Sahib? What is irony about his name? साहिब कौन है और उसके नाम में क्या अजीब बात है? आयरनी का मतलब होता है व्यंग्य या कौन सी ऐसी बात जो बिल्कुल अलग है. सो साहिब, द फुल नेम ऑफ साहिब इज साहिब आलम, विच मीन्स लॉर्ड ऑफ द यूनिवर्स. साहिब का पूरा नाम है साहिब आलम, जिसका अर्थ होता है पूरे ब्रह्मांड का स्वामी. लेकिन अजीब बात यह है, व्यंग्य की बात यह है कि उसके नाम का अर्थ तो है साहिब आलम, पूरे ब्रह्मांड का स्वामी, बट ही हिमसेल्फ इज अ रैग पिकर, परंतु वो कूड़ा उठाने का काम करता है. सो ये उसके नाम की और उसकी जिंदगी में बिल्कुल अजीब बात है, बिल्कुल मिसमैच है. सेकंड क्वेश्चन इज, हु आर द रैग पिकर्स ऑफ सीमापुरी? सीमापुरी की ये जो रैग पिकर्स है, कूड़ा उठाने वाले लोग हैं, ये कौन है? हाउ डज द मीनिंग फॉर गार्बेज डिफर फॉर एल्डर्स एंड चिल्ड्रन? कूड़े का जो महत्व है वो बच्चों के लिए अलग और बड़ों के लिए अलग कैसे है? सो यू कैन से द rag pickers who are living in the area of Simapuri, they are the people who came from Dhaka during 1971 when the partition of Bangladesh took place, and at the same time their village was washed from the storm and they took shelter in the Simapuri area. And the second part is, the meaning of garbage is different for elders because for them garbage is their means of livelihood, and for the younger children it is a matter of surprise for them because sometimes they find notes, some coins, and sometimes they receive some items like shoes which were thrown by the rich people. So garbage for elder people is a means of livelihood for them, and for children it's a great surprise for them. It's like a gold mine for them. Third question is, why is the life of slum dwellers of Simapuri quite different from the life of people living in Delhi? सीमापुरी के स्लम्स में, झुग्गियों में रहने वाले जो लोग हैं, उनका जीवन दिल्ली में रहने वाले लोगों से बिल्कुल अलग कैसे है? सो आप कह सकते हैं, although Simapuri is a part of Delhi, yet it is very far away from Delhi because we can't see any sign of development which is in Delhi, and there is no sign of development in Simapuri. They are living in a very poor condition in these slums. There is no facility of safe drinking water, no facility of sewage and sanitation. So we can say that Simapuri, being a part of Delhi, is totally different from Delhi itself. Fourth question is, what are the conditions of the rag pickers? जो rag pickers हैं उनकी क्या condition है? So the poor rag pickers are living a very pathetic life in the slums of Simapuri because they have no means of livelihood. Garbage is the only means of their livelihood. Fifth question is, what is Sahib's dream? Sahib का सपना क्या है? His dream is that he would play tennis, he would wear tennis shoes, and also he wants to go to school. Sixth question is, why is Sahib unhappy while working at tea stall? So when he was working for himself and he would gather garbage, he was happy. But now he is working in a tea stall. He is receiving 800 rupees per month, but he is not happy because now he has lost his freedom. He is working in a tea stall and he is working for someone else. Earlier he worked for himself, but now he has become a servant and lost his freedom. So that's why he is unhappy while working at the tea stall. Seventh question is, who is Mukesh? Mukesh कौन है? What is his ambition? Mukesh is a young boy who is living in Firozabad. His ancestors worked in the Bengal industry, Bengal factories in Firozabad, but this young boy has different dreams. He wants to become a motor mechanic. He doesn't want to do his ancestral work. He has his own dreams. Eighth question is, describe the life of people of glass Bengal factory of Firozabad. फिरोजाबाद की जो कांच की चूड़ियों की फैक्ट्रियां हैं वहां पर काम करने वाले लोगों की जीवन के बारे में बताइए. So the people who are working in the glass Bengal factory of Firozabad are working in very poor conditions in their factories. There is no facility of light, ventilation, and they have to face several physical and mental diseases because of the chemical they work with in the factories. And also there is no facility of worker unions, and they receive no profit from their work. They just carry on their work and they have to born in debt and they have to die in debt, and they leave debt for their coming generations. So their condition is very pathetic. Question number 9 is, who exploits the Bengal factory workers of Firozabad? फिरोजाबाद के जो काम करने वाले मजदूर हैं इनका शोषण कौन करता है? द ब्यूरोक्रेट्स, द शाहूकार्स, द मिडिलमैन, द पॉलिटिशियंस, द पुलिसमैन. दे एक्सप्लॉइट द बेंगल वर्कर्स ऑफ फिरोजाबाद. व्हाट इज फिरोजाबाद फेमस फॉर? फिरोजाबाद क्यों फेमस है? फिरोजाबाद इज फेमस फॉर द बेंगल इंडस्ट्री. Question number 11 is, describe the working condition of Bengal making at Firozabad. फिरोजाबाद की जो बेंगल इंडस्ट्री है, चूड़ियों का जो उद्योग है, उसकी वर्किंग कंडीशन के बारे में बताइए. सो आई हैव ऑलरेडी स्पोकन अबाउट दिस. दे वर्क इन अ वेरी पैथेटिक कंडीशन. दे वर्क इन द स्मॉल फैक्ट्रीज. दे आर लाइक रैट होल्स. नो फैसिलिटी ऑफ इलेक्ट्रिसिटी, नो फैसिलिटी ऑफ ventilation, and poor working conditions are there, and very narrow streets there are. Use you can say use gathering over there, and there is no physically or any kind of facility over there, and due to these problems they have to face various physical and mental diseases. So these are the questions we have discussed. So I welcome you with your questions. If you have any questions and any suggestions, so you can write to me, and you can also prepare your project on slums, that what kind of life slum people are living, and you can also make a project on a Bengal industry Firozabad, taking help from the internet. So by then, thank you very much.